Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to circular breathe. This will be the fastest learning technique and the fastest teaching technique for circular breathing. Let's get right into the video. As you see right here, I have a glass full of water and I have a straw. And these are key factors for learning how to circular breathe. Now, please take this into consideration. I myself am still learning how to circular breathe. I'm not a professional. I just recently started learning and I got pretty decent at it. So I wanted to share my learning technique with you because it allowed me to learn at a rather quick pace. So circular breathing is oftentimes used when you're playing an instrument, and it is used to sort of continually get air to come out of your mouth without taking a break for a breath, or even just a short break for breath if need be. But most of the time, if you're really good, you can do it without taking a break for breath at all. Now, you do this by separating the air in your mouth from the air in your lungs and the passageway between your nose and your lungs. So basically, you use your nose to fill up your lungs with air, then you transfer that lung air to your mouth, and then you squeeze through your cheeks to get that air to come out through your mouth. So we're going to start by doing this. Just get your mouth full of air and then just use the air in your mouth, squeeze it out through the straw like this. So I didn't use any air from my lungs, I just got my mouth and I pushed air out through the straw. So you see my cheeks squeezing down. Now, oftentimes, you're going to be dealing with something that has a restriction of airflow. You're not just going to be able to push all the air out like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to even try and just push on the straw just a bit to restrict the airflow like this. So as you can see, by squeezing the straw, it allows me to simulate actually playing an instrument, the amount of air that would come out at any given moment. Okay? So now what you're going to do is do this. Breathe into your lungs. And then transfer the air into your mouth. And then squeeze it out through your mouth. And as you're squeezing that air out through your mouth, I want you to close your throat a little bit to sort of separate the air in your mouth from the air in your lungs. So, and then as you do that, you're going to be breathing in through your nose. So as you're using your cheek muscles to squish out that air, you hear that? I was breathing in as I was blowing out. Check that out one more time. So as I'm exhaling through my mouth, I'm breathing in. And I'm going to use that air to refill my cheeks. So follow along with me, okay? Watch how I circular breathe. And like I said, I'm going to scratch my wrist here. I'm not a pro, but I got pretty decent at it, so please pay attention. Follow along. I was getting a little bit too confident there. It's really simple. I'm transferring air into my cheeks and I'm squeezing it out. And as I'm doing that, I'm breathing out and breathing back in to catch another lung full of air. So check this out. So as I breathe out and I breathe back in, I'm then sending more air into my cheeks and continuing to push out, okay? So the bubbles are created from my cheek muscles and the air refills are created through getting air from my nose into my lungs, transferring it to my mouth. Hopefully that helped you. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but you know, considering I started a couple days ago, I'd say I'm pretty decent at it, and it's been the fastest learning technique for me, so I just wanted to share it with you. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.